How to join Discord server without invite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Discord and log in to your account. From the server sidebar, click on the plus icon. Click on the button that says Join a Friend on Discord at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, Discord here tells us how an invite should look like. So in order to join a server without an invitation, all what we need to do is create one for ourselves. It goes like this. https://discord.gg/ the name of the server that you want to join. Here's an example. Once you do that, click Accept Invite. And that's it. That's how to join Discord server without invite. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.